I'm just gonna throw some hooks, and always remember when you punch, don't just punch with your arm, throw your fucking body into it. It all starts at your feet, it's just like a golf swing. And then feet, hips, and then bang.